move into another room. Just because the room that we were in, there's a scent in the bathroom that I don't like. Plus, I want to give you guys a room tour, and the room is a mess, so I want a clean room. This hotel is really, really nice. What is over here, so? It's a nice hotel. I think that's where the club is. Oh, that's something. Slow. Alright, guys. So as soon as you enter the room, we have a mini bar. They have like a little mini bar over here with a little fridge. You have a little bucket for if you need a champagne and the ice and stuff like that, and coffee. The fridge. They don't have anything in the fridge because of the whole COVID thing. And then I go over here. So on the left is the bathroom, and they have these sliding doors. I like the door here. Come. And then over to this side, they have like a little closet in the bathroom. I like the little idea here because you have one for storage. So you can keep like your body mist, a shower gel, all them something here in your storage. Your towel if you need extra towel, your clothes. I like this little closet. And over to this side, they have an iron board, an umbrella, a safe, and more storage. So they don't have only for storage. We can't come here, come live for 1, go 2 months. But we really love the bathroom. Double sinks, his and hers. I like the floating mirror. I like the lights for them behind it for you, that little illusion there. I love the tile. You love the tile there? Little splash of color. Plus this, the little plant. The person who designed the place do a really good job. And they have this mirror, this vanity mirror. So when you're doing the makeup, you can see everything properly. Yep. And then over to this side, we have the shower. We have the rain. What I wanna look so lean. We have the rain head shower. And I like the material I make that door here. I like the material here. This feels thick. You don't like this? I like the material I make this. And over to this side, the toilet is separate. So I like that. So I'll value this bathroom enough. You can in and start doing things. And me the out here, so they have like one wall art over here. And then up we go. And close this. They have one if I light. Wait. I don't turn on. That one look like in our work. So this right. We need to get my name ready. Okay, so beside the mini bar, then we're going to the seating area. They feel like I'm gonna show you the next coach. I really like the coach here. I like the next coach in the other room better. And then over here now, they have some glass on the wall. I feel like when you add a glass to the wall, they give the room more space. Make the room look more spacious. I feel like every bedroom and every room is supposed to have a floor to ceiling mirror. This is my big here. So you can look for yourself and look for your outfits. Over here is another mirror. You know, most of the hotels them, when they have the dresser, they don't have any mirror on it. They always just put the TV over it. So I'm telling you someone though. The dresser over here. And then come so we can see the bed. And then we have the bed. We find out that's a king size bed. So this is the bed. I love this. These are called pendant lights. I love the gold and it just have a luxe look. And then behind here, let me turn on the lights. What the light there? See them over this way. When you turn on the lights, it have one light in behind the bed. No? You know the over here?
I'm not sure the one, yeah.
Maybe. No, yeah. Here it is. See? So, and then over here I have a nice little luxe design sitting area, another sitting area. So one whole heap of sitting area. You can sit over here and if you have business, you're here on business. You can sit over here and do a little business thingy. And now for the outside.
Pull it up.
It's so warm out. We have a little lounge bed over here. And then we have a little ottoman right here. We can receive drinks on another sitting area. And of course we have the pool and a view. Whee! So that's it. Bye.